You have studied English for weeks or months, maybe even years. You know the grammar rules, you know hundreds of words, you watch English videos, you read books, but when it's time to speak English, something stops you. Your mind goes blank, you hesitate with every sentence, you speak slowly or freeze completely, and then you ask yourself, why can't I speak English fluently? The answer might surprise you. It's not about your memory, it's not about your intelligence, it's not even about your vocabulary. The real reason is that you are following the wrong method. And today in this masterclass, I will show you exactly what to pick step by step so you can start speaking English fluently, smoothly, and confidently starting today. Stay focused because this lesson is powerful, detailed, and will change the way you speak English forever. Hello everyone, welcome to an EU English. This is our target is English speaking course, where you will learn to speak English step by step in a very simple and easy way. If you are a beginner and want to speak English in daily life, this course is perfect for you. Every week we learn a new topic that will help you improve your speaking, vocabulary, and confidence. So make sure you watch every lesson and practice with me. Now let's start today's lesson. Let's analyze the real reason most learners cannot speak English fluently. First, translating in your head. You hear an English word or think of a sentence, but your mind first thinks in your native language, then you try to translate. This causes delays in speaking, broken sentences, lack of confidence. Imagine this scenario. You want to say, I'm going to the market tomorrow. Your brain thinks, okay, in my language I see tomorrow I will go to market. Now, how do I say it in English? By the time your brain finds the correct words, the moment is gone. This is why thinking directly in English is the number one key to fluency. Second, overthinking grammar. Many learners wait to become perfect before they speak. They think, first must be grammatically correct, then I can speak. Fluent speakers don't think about grammar while they speaking. They use what they know, they speak confidently, and they self-correct naturally. Third, fear of mistakes. Fear is the silent killer of fluency. You hesitate, second you guess yourself, or avoiding speaking altogether. Mistakes are not failure, not speaking at all is. Fourth, try to use complex sentences too soon. Beginners and intermediate learners often try to sound advanced by using long and complicated sentences. Result, speech becomes slow, broken, and unnatural. 5. Lack of consistent speaking practice. Fluency is a skill, not knowledge. Skills are developed through consistent practice, not reading or listening alone. Now let's move to solutions, the part that changes everything. Step 1. Think in English. Start thinking in English in your daily life. Examples. What am I doing right now? What do I need to do next? How do I feel today? Internal monologue practice. Instead of thinking, I'm hungry, I need to eat food. Translated in your head. Think directly, I'm hungry, I will eat lunch now. Do this every day, even 5-10 minutes daily, the habit of English thinking. Step 2. Use simple, strong sentences. Fluency doesn't mean complex sentences. It means smooth, clear, and continuous speaking. Examples of simple sentences. I'm going to the market. I have to finish my homework. I will meet my friends tomorrow. Notice how these sentences are grammatically correct, are easy to say quickly, can be expanded naturally. Step 3. Speak daily consistently. Even 10-15 minutes of focused speaking daily is more effective than hours of passive watching. Techniques. Speak to yourself in front of a mirror. Describe your daily activities. Record your speech and play it back. Daily repetition trains your mouth, your brain. Step 4. Accept mistakes. Mistakes are inevitable. Fluent speakers don't stop for small errors. Strategy. Speak fast, correct later. Focus on flow and communication. Gradually refine accuracy. Remember, fluency past, perfection later. Step 5. Use structure plus pattern training. Your first lessons give you tools for speech. Tenses. Use past, present, future naturally. Modals. I can, I should, I must. Semi-auxiliaries. I am going to, I have to. Combine them in real sentences. I am going to learn English today. I have to practice speaking every day. I will not give up until I improve. This is how structured fluency is built. Step 6. Listen and shadow. Fluency is not only about words, it's about rhythm, tone, and speed. Technique shadowing. Listen to a native speaker sentence. Repeat immediately, mimicking speed and tone. Do this multiple times daily. This strengthens pronunciation, smoothness, and confidence. Step 7. Build fluency habits. Your fluency will improve faster than grammar if you speak daily, think in English, use short, simple sentences, repeat patterns consistently, shadow native speakers. Consistency is the most powerful secret of fluent English. Your task right now. Speak aloud 2-3 minutes about your day. Use these patterns. I am, I have to, I will, I want to. Don't stop. Don't overthink grammar. Focus on flow. Now let's include listen carefully. Fluency is not magic. Fluency is a skill. It is built with practice, patience, and persistency. You are not failing in English. You are learning. Learning is progress. From today, change your approach. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Stop overthinking grammar. Speak with what you know. Stop fearing mistakes. Speak boldly. Stop using complicated sentences. Speak simple, speak continuous. Speak daily, consistently, even if only a few minutes. Remember this mantra. Fluency is practice, confidence is habit, mistakes or lessons. Comment below. I will speak English fluently starting today. I will read your comments and encourage you personally. Like this video if you are serious about your English growth. Subscribe for day 11. Share this with someone who wants to speak fluently. Thanks for watching. See you in day 11.